Hi friends, this is Dr. Balakumari. Today we will talk about a condition called galactorrhea. What is this galactorrhea? This is a condition where there is milk secretion from the breast during unwanted times and for people who don't need it. What is that? See, do you know newborn babies can have milk secretion? Girls in adolescent age can have milk secretion. Sometimes it can happen even nearing the menopause stage, and even men can secrete milk. Is it really possible, and why does that happen? Let's see. Milk secretion is stimulated by a hormone called prolactin. What is this prolactin? What does it mean? You always know that the word lacto is associated with milk, originated from Latin. Pro is something that promotes it. So, prolactin hormone is secreted by a gland called pituitary in the brain. So, when this hormone is secreted in excess, anyone can secrete milk. What are the conditions? Generally, this can happen, as I said, in the newborn. As soon as the baby is born, on the third day to say around 15th day, you might notice that the breasts are swollen, even if it is a boy baby, and it can secrete milk. Why does it happen? The baby, when inside the mother's womb, had the mother's hormones in it. As soon as it comes out, these hormones don't disappear. They continue to circulate in the blood until that concentration is to a considerable limit. The breast can secrete milk. Many grandmothers will try to squeeze and take out the milk from the newborn babies. Please don't do it. It will disappear naturally in a few weeks or months. You really don't have to do anything, and you don't have to worry about it. Next thing, during the puberty time and the menopause time, the hormones will be very fluctuating. In those situations also, this sort of mild milk secretion from the breast can occur. Even men can secrete milk if this hormone prolactin is at a higher concentration. Whenever the nipples are stimulated, see, some women are so worried about breast cancer, they will be examining their breasts every day. Whenever the breasts are handled too much, the brain interprets that the baby is sucking at the breast, and it starts secreting this hormone called prolactin. So, when the prolactin level goes, there is milk secretion. So, you should not be handling the breast too often. The women should have a self-examination of the breast once in a month after the periods are over. That's it. You should not do it every day. And sometimes, for no reason, there can be milk secretion from the breast, especially when you wear tight inners and your dresses are very tight. That can happen. Whenever there is an injury to the breast due to some accident or some other reason, it can happen. It can happen due to certain drugs that we take. Medicines. Drugs in the sense it's not illicit drugs that I'm talking. Medicines that we take. The medicines taken for epilepsy, fits, psychiatry medicines, even BP medicines. Medicines commonly taken for acidity. These medicines also can produce milk secretion. And when there are certain tumors in the brain, in the pituitary, that can stimulate milk secretion. Some rare general disorders, like when there is a liver failure or a kidney failure, these conditions also can secrete prolactin hormone. The commonest thyroid problem can produce milk secretion sometimes. So whenever a person comes with milk secretion, first we have to examine the breasts. If the breasts are normal, if there is no swelling, and if the secretion is just a transparent water-like or milk-like, you don't have to do anything. Check the prolactin hormones, thyroid. If it's normal, you just don't do anything. If it is considerable, if there is heavy breast pain, etc., we do have to investigate thoroughly. If the secretion is blood-stained, definitely that has to be sent to the pathology department and rule out if there is any problem. A clear fluid or a milk secretion is not associated with cancer, so please stop worrying about cancer in those situations. So we have to do other tests like complete blood count, thyroid test, liver function test, renal function test, apart from serum prolactin levels. If the person has severe headache or visual disturbances, problems in the vision, then we have to check for brain MRI. Otherwise, we don't have to go straight away for a MRI brain for every person who has some secretion from the breast. So coming to treatment, as I said, if we do not find any cause and if the prolactin levels are not very high, we can just ignore it, go for a periodic checkup maybe once in a year. Otherwise, Otherwise, you don't have to worry about it. You can do without treatment also. It might disappear by itself. The next option is treatment by certain medications called cabergoline and bromocriptine. Do not take these medicines by yourself. Always consult your doctor and take these medicines. And whenever there is a known cause or a removable cause, that has to be taken care. In the rare conditions where there is tumor in the pituitary, it has to be operated. But it is very, very, very rare. So the moment you see some secretion from the breast, don't think of breast cancer and pituitary tumors. But it is essential that you go to the doctor, have yourself thoroughly examined. This milk secretion and increased prolactin levels in a woman who is trying to become pregnant may prevent pregnancy. Normally, you all know when the woman is lactating or breastfeeding, pregnancies don't happen easily, right? Because of the prolactin hormones, when there is milk secretion, the egg formation and the ovulation will not happen properly. So these women may have absence of periods. They may find it difficult to conceive. In those situations, this high prolactin levels have to be brought under control and women can become pregnant easily. So friends, I hope you all have a clear idea now about why milk secretion occurs. What is this hyperprolactinemia? Hyper is always, it is more. So when the prolactin levels increase, what to do? Don't worry. Whenever there is a problem, go to your doctor. Make sure it is nothing abnormal or serious and then stop worrying. Thank you.